Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, a view into Huck's World. And today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out that's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So we're just trying to get you ready for the work week with some different watch faces that you could play throughout the week. Cool? With that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now this watch face is by RJ Design and the guy gets down. If you have not checked out his lineup, go ahead, have a peek at it. You will not be disappointed. Now, the name of the watch face is called Sporty Brand. I like the boldness, I like the uniqueness of the watch face, and I like the fact that it gives you exactly what a watch face should give you for the most part, and that's going to be time. Now, this is perfect for a work week watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same design, same look, same info as if the watch face is on. And when the watch face is on, again, the boldness of it, everything is just simply legible. I like the look, I like the design, and I like the way the analog hands look as well. I like the fact that we get a smooth second hand instead of a ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Adds a hint of luxury to it. Now, at the top, you're going to get the day of the week, you're going to get your date, you're going to get your month. Down at the bottom, you will get a digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. But this is going to be a 12, 24-hour watch face, depending on the format that you have your phone set to, which isn't bad at all. Now, you're going to get your battery percentage. It's going to also give you a meter. And it's also going to tell you your percentage as well. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info, and it's going to let you know how much of your goal that you have completed. So for a casual watch face, this isn't a bad look, especially considering the fact that the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it does help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.